want to prepare a Thanksgiving side that can at least be cooked by you without much fuss in the kitchen, then it has to be the garlic asparagus in a pan. Stay till the end of the video as I will share one interesting health fact about asparagus. Get a pan and let it heat it up. Drop in those asparagus and wait till you hear a sizzling sound. You hear this? This is a sign that it's beginning to cook. This whole garlic asparagus should not take more than 3 minutes. Sprinkle some pepper and salt for taste. Now add some lemon zest. If you want to skip lemon zest, you can, but I promise you that adding zest of the lemon is going to just improve the flavor of this garlic asparagus. And if you're wondering, I'm just stir frying, where the hell is the garlic in this? It is coming. Give it a quick stir again so that all the asparagus gets a quick cook evenly. Now let's add the finely grated garlic and add in some butter. Now you can add any kind of fat, vegan butter, dairy butter, olive oil, anything. Cook down the garlic asparagus for another minute and that's it. Serve it with your choice of protein for a balanced meal. We are down to the health fact. Asparagus is an excellent source of folate, also known as vitamin B9. Just half a cup of asparagus provides adults with 34% of their daily folate needs and pregnant women with 22% of their daily needs. And that's not it. It's a low-calorie vegetable, which is perfect if you are on a diet. Speaking of low calories, here is a milkshake recipe that is under 100 calories. Now go on to watch it, and I shall see you on the next video. Take care.